Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A few twinkling stars? Maybe the moon if you're lucky? What you're really seeing is just a tiny peek into our cosmic neighborhood, a minuscule fraction of the universe's mind-boggling vastness. It's like trying to understand the size of the Earth by looking at a grain of sand. Our planet, the one we call home, feels pretty big when we're stuck in traffic or waiting for the bus. But in the grand scheme of things, Earth is just a tiny blue marble floating in the unimaginable expanse of space. And it's not alone out there. Billions upon billions of stars, planets, and galaxies are scattered across the universe like cosmic confetti after a really, really big party. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a black hole. But don't worry, we're going to break it down for you, one mind-blowing concept at a time. Let's embark on a cosmic journey to explore the vastness of the universe, from our familiar planets to the mind-bending idea of a multiverse. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. First stop, our solar system. We've got 8 planets here. Sorry, Pluto, you'll always be a planet in our hearts, each with its own unique personality. We've got rocky planets like Earth and Mars, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. It's like the universe's very own cosmic family reunion, and everyone's invited. Now, let's talk size. Jupiter, the biggest bully in our solar system, could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. That's one massive planet. On the other hand, Mercury, the smallest planet, is like the cosmic equivalent of a golf ball compared to Jupiter's beach ball. But even Jupiter looks puny when compared to the Sun, our very own star. It would take 1 million Earths to fill up the Sun, which just goes to show there's always a bigger fish, or in this case, a bigger ball of burning gas, in the cosmic pond. And remember, our solar system is just one tiny speck in the vastness of the Milky Way galaxy. So let's zoom out a little further and see what else is out there.
Our sun may be a big deal in our solar system, but in the grand scheme of things, it's just an average star. Kind of like the cosmic equivalent of a Toyota Camry. Reliable, gets the job done, but not exactly turning heads on the galactic highway. There are stars out there that make our sun look like a faint flicker. Take Betelgeuse, for example. This red supergiant is so large that if it were to replace our sun, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. That means Earth, along with Mars, Venus, and Mercury, would be swallowed whole. Talk about a bad case of cosmic indigestion. And then there's VI Canis Majoris, a hypergiant star so mind-bogglingly enormous that it could hold over 7 quadrillion Earths. That's a 7, followed by 15 zeros. It's enough to make even the most jaded astronomer feel a sense of awe. But size isn't everything in the universe, at least that's what we tell ourselves. Some stars are incredibly dense, packing more mass than our sun into a space smaller than a city. These neutron stars are like the cosmic equivalent of a mosh pit, with particles crammed together in a superdense dance party. So the next time you feel insignificant, just remember, you're not just on Earth, you're in a universe teeming with stars of all shapes and sizes, each with its own story to tell.
Now let's talk galaxies. Imagine a giant city of stars, gas, dust, and whatever else the universe decides to sweep under the cosmic rug. That's a galaxy in a nutshell. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a barred spiral galaxy, which sounds like something out of a cosmic bakery, but it's just a fancy way of saying it has a central bar-shaped structure with arms spiraling outwards. The Milky Way is home to hundreds of billions of stars, including our very own sun. That's right. Our sun is just one star among billions in our galaxy alone. It's enough to make you feel like you need to up your cosmic real estate game. And if you think the Milky Way is big, hold on to your hat. There are estimated to be trillions of galaxies in the observable universe, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. It's like the universe decided to hold a cosmic bake-off, and everyone brought their best spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies to the party. So the next time you're feeling lost in the crowd, just remember, you're not just lost in a crowd of people, you're lost in a crowd of galaxies. And that's a pretty cool crowd to be a part of.
But wait, there's more. Galaxies aren't content with just hanging out by themselves. They like to clump together in groups called galaxy clusters, kind of like cosmic cliques. Our Milky Way, for example, is part of the local group, a collection of about 54 galaxies. It's like the cosmic equivalent of our block party, only with a lot more black holes and dark matter. And if you think galaxy clusters are impressive, get ready for superclusters. These are mind-bogglingly huge structures made up of dozens or even hundreds of galaxy clusters, all bound together by gravity. It's like the universe's version of a supersized city, with galaxy clusters as the neighborhoods. Our local group, for example, is part of the Laniakea supercluster, a massive structure containing an estimated 100,000 galaxies spread out over 520 million light-years. That's a lot of cosmic real estate. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed by the size of the city, just remember, you're not just in a city. You're in a supercluster, a cosmic metropolis of unimaginable proportions. And that's a pretty awesome address to have.
Now let's talk about the observable universe. This is the part of the universe that we can actually see from Earth, limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe itself. It's like trying to see the entire ocean from the shore. We can only see as far as our cosmic horizon allows. The observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That means it would take light, the fastest thing in the universe, 93 billion years to travel from one side to the other. That's a lot of time for a cosmic road trip. But here's the kicker. The observable universe might just be a tiny fraction of the entire universe. We don't know what lies beyond our cosmic horizon. It's like reaching the edge of a map and finding the words "Here be dragons" scrawled across the unknown territories. So the next time you're feeling limited by your own perspective, just remember, you're only seeing a tiny fraction of what's out there. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and who knows what lies beyond our cosmic horizon.
Now, let's dive into the deep end of cosmic speculation, the multiverse. This is the idea that our universe, as vast as it is just one of many universes, each with its own unique laws of physics, constants, and maybe even its own version of you. It's like the universe is a cosmic jukebox, and each universe is a different song on an infinite playlist. The multiverse is still a theoretical concept, but it's a fascinating one nonetheless. It's mind-boggling to think that there might be an infinite number of universes out there, each with its own set of possibilities. Maybe in another universe, gravity works in reverse, or time flows backwards. Maybe in another universe, you're a famous astronaut or a talking dog. Of course, we don't have any concrete evidence for the multiverse yet, but it's a fun and thought-provoking idea to consider. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and our understanding of reality is constantly evolving. So, the next time you're feeling limited by the choices you've made in life, just remember, there might be an infinite number of you out there, each living a different version of your life. And that's a pretty comforting thought.
So, after that whirlwind tour of the universe, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed. Maybe you're even feeling a little insignificant. And you know what? That's okay. In fact, it's a perfectly natural reaction to contemplating the vastness of the cosmos. When we realize just how small we are in the grand scheme of things, it can be a humbling experience. It makes our everyday problems seem a little less significant, and it fills us with a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer scale and mystery of the universe. But feeling small doesn't have to be a bad thing. It can also be a source of inspiration. It reminds us that there's so much more out there to discover, so much more to learn, so much more to explore. So, the next time you're feeling lost in the vastness of it all, just remember, you're a part of something much bigger than yourself. You're a part of the universe, and that's a pretty amazing thing to be.
As we've journeyed from planets to galaxies to the very edge of the observable universe, one thing is clear. The universe is a vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring place. And the more we learn about it, the more we realize how much we don't know. But that's okay. In fact, it's what makes exploring the universe so exciting. There's always something new to discover, something new to learn, something new to wonder about.
So keep looking up at the stars. Keep asking questions. Keep exploring. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one to make the next big cosmic discovery. The universe is waiting. Go explore it.